Here's how to convert MP4 to WAV. And so that's that waveform audio file. I created an app called ConvertSave. It's an offline file converter for Windows and Mac, and it does image, video, and audio. So all you have to do is click and drag into ConvertSave whatever files you want to convert. Select the output. In this case, I'm going to do WAV, which is right here. And then I hit convert, and it converts, and it saves right next to wherever that file came from. Now we've also added some advanced features. So there's a little tab right here where you can add advanced conversion options. So if you're familiar with the tools that are used like FFmpeg, ImageMagick, etc., you can actually enter in your own custom commands that replace the ones that we use, which are basically kind of the defaults or whatever gives you the best quality. And there's also, if you're not as familiar with those custom commands, an options builder, which will help you build out commands to use. And inside of here, you can see that you can change things like the audio bit rate and the different volume parameters and a start time, end time, so you can even trim things. And this is just for this specific conversion, MP4 to WAV. And you can apply those and save them for any conversions that you do, MP4 to WAV. And these options change depending on what the conversion is and gives you even more control over your conversions. So we're pretty excited to add those advanced features in there. But we wanted to make it as simple as possible to just click, drag, convert, save. That's where the name came from. You can go to convertsave.com or check out the link in the description or top comment down below. I work on this with my brother. He's a software developer, and I was just sick of going to weird, sketchy websites to do all my file conversions. And so we created this app where it does image, video, audio, and soon to be even more file type conversions. Within here, you can combine images into a PDF. You can extract audio from video like we did here, or you can just convert like one to the other, or even use the advanced features to not convert the file type, but maybe apply some effects to your images or resize video, things like that, so that you could just select the same file type as your output and do all these different advanced options to it. So that's ConvertSave. Hopefully you guys find it useful. Go check it out at convertsave.com. Appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.